right, so let's see what we got. Okay guys, so this is sideless sound deadening. I got a couple rollers. Got the stuff on Amazon. Again, I'll leave links in the description. So this is 50 mil sound deadening material. So it's not the thickest you can get, but I was just looking for something that was gonna be cost effective. This stuff was, again, this is in Canadian, $95 for 52 square feet, which was pretty reasonable considering for a similar price you were getting less material, but probably a little bit thicker. So I think 50 mil is gonna be fine. I'm gonna be doing the floor, the back of the cab, the doors, and then the roof of the cab with this material. So I've got it all cleaned up, and I'll throw some shots. So after I was done doing the cab corners and the rockers on both sides of the truck, and those were all installed, I went ahead and trim clad the whole inside of the cab, got rid of all the rust. So I'm gonna put this over the trim clad, and I'm really hoping that it just reduces any heavy road noise, probably will make the audio sound a little bit better. So we're gonna be installing this stuff. Again, I kind of figured I'd need 2 boxes, so I'm really hoping that's enough. If not, I think the most important parts are probably, I think the roof is important, especially with how windy it is around here. So I would say the floor, the back of the cab, the doors, and I don't think there's really a whole bunch you can put on the doors, but we'll do the doors, and then whatever's left, I think, put on the roof. I'd like to do it all. I'm hoping that this is enough. With my quick measurements, I did approximately, I was thinking about 100 square feet, so this should just give us just a little over 100 square feet with the 2 boxes, 52 square feet each box, and I think we're ready to install. It's pretty simple. The project went really smooth, and yeah, I think it should make a big difference in the amount of road noise you get when driving the truck. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, just to know, I think now that this is done, I'm gonna make some modifications to the brake pedal. I've got a few sensors coming because the truck's been running a little rich, so I figure it might be the fuel regulator sensor. I got a new ABS sensor coming because the ABS light keeps coming on. And I have a new map sensor. Mine looks a little corroded, and for the price, I was like, screw it, let's just replace that. And then I also have a coolant sensor, which I'm hoping that between the three of those sensors, the truck won't run quite as rich as it is. And so yeah, we're just gonna change those out, and then yeah, I'll start cleaning up the interior, getting everything kind of put back together. I'll mask it off. I'll start doing the body work of the door jambs. Oh yeah, I also have the box to finish up. So there's still a lot of work here, but making good progress, making good time. Hopefully have the truck done by April or May of 2023. So that's my little update. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below.